Hiya diesel heads out there, another one for you, another drunken eBay purchase, but I think it'll be okay. This is a Russian made MARZ 2.5 diesel, made in the 80s and 90s in their millions, I think. I'm very grateful to Adrian Duncan and his excellent website for giving me a bit of info on this. Apparently they were made in a Soviet Moscow helicopter factory, and when the guys in there had no helicopters to fix or make, they made these things. It seems they must have had a lot of time because these were churned out in mass numbers. They were made, I think, for Soviet youth to play with and get interested in engineering and help the Soviet effort. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, these things came over to Australia and America and were imported for tuppence halfpenny and a box of cornflakes. But before you get bored and turned off, the point of my video right now is to ask you guys out there what this strange noise is when I turn it over. It has a rear rotary drum valve, as I'm sure you can see at the back, and this engages in the back of the crank pin, and I just wonder whether this is the valve sort of slapping on the bit of play that must be there between the crank pin and the rotary disc. When I got this, it was brand new, tight as a proverbial thingy. I couldn't turn it over. I thought I was going to break it. I nearly sent it off to get it lapped and loosened up, but I persevered, and I've now turned it over and fired it up a few times. So it does go. It's still as tight as hell, and I will make a video again later when it's running to show you how it is. But in the meantime, what is this funny noise? Hang on. It's a sort of click. Can you hear that? Trying to knock off the table. There you go. There you go. It seems to do it more on the rebound, that is to say going back clockwise rather than anti-clockwise. So I just wonder if that's what it is. But if any of you guys know this problem, post it and on this vid and let me know. I'd be very grateful. But back to the engine briefly. It's a workmanlike construction. Lots of rough bits in there. You might call it utilitarian, I'd be rude and call it rough. But it goes. The cylinder head has an engaging habit of coming loose. I've seen that on a couple of other vids. And the screws are recessed right down there. But I think I can replace them with cap screws, I think you call them, with a fitting for an Allen key to fix them. But whoever assembled this engine was pretty rough with his screwdriver, because the heads of those things are already knackered. But I'm pretty sure the engine hasn't been run, as my very nice seller on eBay advertised. Adrian Duncan reckons you should take these ones to bits from new and clean them out, because they leave all sorts of crap in there, metal filings and scarf and stuff. I did do that to this one and it's pretty good actually. The roller bearings were a bit crunchy, but I put plenty of oil in there and turned them over, and where are we? No. They are pretty smooth. They'll get better. They'll get better. Well, anyway, thanks for looking. If anybody know what that clicking noise is, please let me know. I'll post this and I'll put part 2 up with this thing fired up. It does crackle rather well. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.